Hello, Scorpio. This is Kim with Impressions 4444 coming to you with your love reading. Thank you all so much for your likes, shares, subscribes, and comments. I truly, truly appreciate you guys. All right, this is for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. This may not resonate with all of you, so if it does not, check your Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. A matter of fact, check your Venus signs because this is a love reading. All right. All right, guys, remember, if you are new here, please like, share, subscribe. I would love to have you. Plus, that helps my channel to grow and it allows me to continue to upload videos. All right. I think that's all I need to say. Let's get started. All right, Holy Spirit, what messages in love do you have for Scorpio? Your person is showing up as the King of Swords. All right. All right. So this person, yep. And this was something, there was a betrayal here. I feel like this is someone who is embarking on a twin flame journey. I really do. Because this seems like it. This right here. This is, yep. Here we go. Twin flames. Yep. There was a rejection. Here's the divine feminine. You're just starting your twin flame journey, Scorpio. And here is the divine masculine. Yep. Yep. I feel like this is the very beginning because your person is showing up as the King of Swords. There was a ghosting situation. Here's the separation. You may have blocked this person. You guys may be living at a distance from one another. Your person just released this connection. They let it die. There was a betrayal here. Okay. And here's the Hierophant. This person may be married. Okay, they may have married or got married to someone. Yeah, they chose another person. Yep. All right. Goodness. All right, Spirit. Yeah. They rejected this connection here. This 4 wands. They rejected this connection. Okay, Scorpio, you feel like this is a divine connection. You feel like this is a soulmate to you. And this is the separation here. This person has entered a cycle here with the World card. Okay. Yeah. Oh boy. Let's get the King of Swords. What happened here? This was a ghosting situation. Yeah, 8 of Pentacles. This person decided they didn't want to put any more work into this. Yeah, 7 of Pentacles. This person didn't put any work into this, actually. They didn't care. Yeah, 6 of Pentacles. This person was not reciprocal at all. They were giving to other people. Yeah, they were keeping it quiet. They didn't share themselves with you at all. Yeah, and they're regretting it, or they're going to regret it here. Yeah, 3 of Pentacles. They're going to regret it. They're going to. Let's get the 10 of Swords, please. Yep, 8 of Swords. Yep, they're stuck. They're too much into their head here, this person. Yep. Yep, this person lied. They kept you hanging. This person is too much in their head. Yeah. Yep, cycles here. Nine of Wands and the World card. They're getting ready to repeat a cycle here. The Magician. Yeah. This person is manipulative. Okay. This person is a manipulator. This person has, yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. They're getting ready to learn some lessons. This is the beginning of a twin flame journey. Let's get the Hierophant. This person has to wake up here. Why is the Hierophant here? Yep. This person is married. Yeah. That's the challenge. Yep. Yeah, they're stuck in a marriage. They didn't got themselves hemmed up in a marriage here. Yeah, King of Swords. Yeah, this person chose to build with someone else. This is how I usually start. I mean, most twin flames start this way. Your person is about to learn some very harsh lessons here. Let's get the Two of Swords. Yeah, more challenges. Yeah. Third party situation. This person is married. Ten of Cups. Yeah, the High Priestess and the Eight of Cups. Okay, so this person had a third party and you walked away from them. The thing was, they were happy with you. That's how it usually be. But they chose to go another direction. Goodness gracious. Yep. So yeah, they'll come back around, but it's gonna take some time. Yeah. Yeah. They're too busy doing this kind of crap here with the Knight of Wands. Very non-committal, afraid of commitment. Just let's get the Lovers card here. Now reverse the role, Scorpio, because yeah, you in love with this person, but y'all are separated. Emperor here, but they are a husband. They're loyal to someone else. They got responsibilities elsewhere. Let's get the Four of Cups with the Four of Wands. Or they could be in a committed relationship here. Yeah, this person has other options here. Now, it could be you with other options. Okay, reverse the roles. You may be the runner here. Yeah. Look at this. Emperor with more options. This person has, yeah, codependency. This is typical twin flame storyline here. I know it's not funny. This shit is heavy and intense. I hate it. I do. Let's get the Empress. This person also, this may be saying that your person goes between the person they're in a committed relationship with to you. They keep going back and forth between you and this other person. You may have put a stop to it. Or this is saying you're needing to put a stop to it. Set some boundaries. Let's get the Empress. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you had to cut this person out. You had to leave this person out in the cold. Or this person left you out in the cold. Again, here's the Nine of Cups. This is someone who could be drinking. Because there is some depression here. You could be drinking if you're the divine feminine in this connection. You had to cut this person out. And it's weighing heavy on you. Okay. Let's get this Nine of Cups. Yeah, they're telling me it's overindulgence. Look at that. I just wanted to make sure. Yeah, you're going through a major transformation here. Oh, sweetie. Okay. Well, how many minutes we got? Yeah, let's get the world card here. I may have to do a twin flame checkup reading. Yeah, going through a cycle again. Yeah. So you're working on closing a cycle and moving forward. Okay. Yeah. This person keeps coming back and forth between you and the other person. Justice. They may come in and this person is going to come in and love bomb you until, you know, until you may tell you that they're getting a divorce. Yeah, they're saying don't believe the hype here. You're going to have to truly cut this person off and walk away until they can get themselves together. Okay. Let's get the Eight of Pentacles. Yeah. Someone is working on a new beginning. Here's the King. Yeah. At some point, this person is going to try and close out this cycle between them and the person that they're with. This person is not happy, of course. They're not. They're holding everything in, hoping and wishing and praying for you, trying to figure out if they should choose you. Yeah, they're holding on to you. You're going to calmer waters and you're transforming. Yep, that's the typical. Right now, they're not the Emperor. Right now, they're the King of Wands. So they want to go out and, you know, get what they want. Okay. You have a new beginning available to you. Once you can get on the other side of this, you'll have a brand new beginning. It is worth it, but it's very, very heavy in the beginning. This is the beginning of a twin flame journey. So you and your person may have just separated, or there's a separation on the horizon here. It is going to be painful. I'm going to tell you that, but trust in the process. Really connect to yourself. Really focus on self-love. Also ask the divine and focus on higher awareness. Okay? So that you can see when this stuff is, when your person comes back in, if they're being honest, if they're being true or not. You may have to walk away from this person several times. This is a deep connection. The twin flame journey is a very hard journey. It's not for the faint of heart. And if this resonates with you and you're going through a twin flame journey, that means you're stronger than you think. You're getting ready to find out how strong you really are. Okay? Trust the process. Yeah, true love. Yeah, release your ex. Yep, you're going to have to release them. This is a roller coaster ride of a lifetime. This is a roller coaster ride. Buckle up. Anything else, Spirit? Yeah, I'm hearing y'all saying that ain't funny. No, it's not. I'm telling you. I know it's not. I can laugh now. Forgiving and learning. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moment. Right? That's that new beginning coming forward for you. You just got to get on the other side of this. And you can do it. You can. You can. Just trust the process. Yeah, y'all mad because I'm laughing. It is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. A new person has stirred your romantic feelings, okay? So you may meet someone new. Yeah, finances and career. You may meet someone new on the other side of this, okay? You may decide you don't even want it no more. This person, as painful as it is. But this is going to take some time. You will have a new cycle in love, okay? A solid new beginning here. Just focus on, life is a series of constantly shifting cycles. When we resist change, we resist the natural flow of life and create unnecessary stress. Go with the flow. You will be surprised where it leads. Okay. One more. give me one more. Yep. Sacred union. Honor and treasure your relationship, for it's truly sacred. This is a divine connection here. Okay. This is. So it is a sacred connection. It is to get you to open up and step into your divine power. The more you focus on that, and the more that you focus on healing and releasing the old so that the new can come forward, your person will go through the same thing. Yeah. Yep. It has begun. And here they are. Yep, and here's the transformation. Okay. This is typical twin flame. All right, Scorpio, this has been your reading. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so, so very much. You have a great rest of your week, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.